Yo, yo, what's going on, guys? How you guys doing? So, for this trade recap, this was my first time in a very long time trading on MNQ. I'm trading on MNQ because, um, my risk management is super bad and I revenge trade a lot. So I'm trying to mitigate that by, um, training my brain to take losses by small amounts and just get familiar with being in the red with hundreds of dollars. So with MNQ, so it's fine. So I'm risking about $300 max per day, and then targeting around 500 to 700 because, bro, I'm on an eval right now, so um, I need to pass that like quick. So, anyways, um, yeah, so 500 you pass within like 5 days, 4 days. So no, 6 days. My bad, 6 days. Anyways, so starting into the day, we come into the daily. We're tapping into no gaps on the daily. Go 4 hour. No gaps. This already got filled, so nothing. 1 hour. 1 hour. We see this 1 hour gap on the bottom, and we also see this 4 hour mitigated low actually. Um, right here. Okay, and then let me actually redo pros. Hold up. Okay, you guys didn't see that. All right. We have this massive 1 hour for value gap over here. Um, yeah, 30 minute. We also have this 30 minute, 15 minute. Okay, so that's a very very strong draw, and 5 minute. It's a very very strong draw. So really, and what do we see here? We see prices trending into a downtrend. So basically, wait, let me get to. All right, but so what do we see? Perfect fucking shorts today. Everyone should be bearish today. If you weren't bearish, then you are going to be after it taps into here and it goes lower. But this is like automatically bearish. Okay, we have these 1 hour. We have this 1 hour gap right here, gets tapped, and it runs. Okay, so everything right now is getting respected. All gaps are getting respected. Now we have this 1 hour and this 30 minute. So we're just waiting for this 30 minute to tap. Uh, Maybe give a little push down and then go lower. Okay. So usually what I would like to do is I would like to make two conditions um, in both directions. So either, I mean, this is a very high time frame condition, but usually I'd make it on the 5 minute or the 15 minute. But what I want to see is price tap into this, get a little retracement, maybe tap into the 30 minute, displace lower, come up, and then run finally. So that's condition number one. Condition number two is that we tap in and then we make a higher low, tap, higher low, and then eventually breaks, and then while sweeping this, and then goes lower to go higher. So those are really my only two conditions. Um, it's good because it puts you in a spot where you don't guess. You're trying to react. So yeah, okay. So and then there's this 15 minute here. It's getting respected pretty nicely. So, okay, it's 9:30. What do we do? We sweep this. Now, usually what I like to do is I like to mark out session times. So, it goes 1900, 3 a.m., and 9:30. So, 1900. So, what do we see here? We see these are Asia High. Asia High got cooked out already, so I don't care about Asia High anymore. Asia Low got cooked out, so I don't care about Asia Low anymore. So really, we're only looking at London High and London Low, which is perfect. Um, so those are either going to be my drawn liquidity or they're going to be my setup. So, okay. So we come in and we disrespect. There's a 4-hour right here. There's no 5-minute. Yeah. So there's a 4-hour, 3-minute. Actually, very, very small 3-minute. But regardless. Wow. That just shoots through. So usually at market open, we manipulate in some direction and then we reverse off the other. If not, then it's a continuation and you'll know it's a continuation. But this means that it's a reversal. Also, the fact that we're tapping into a 1-hour gap, that also, it's like, come on. 5-minute, if we even put our, maybe this will hold. I'm not too sure. Yeah, so we just break past that. So, are there any other gaps? There's no other gaps. Yeah, okay, so I'm going in right here. Usually, I mean, ideally, here's what I did. I would wait for price to tap back into this to then go lower. But this isn't really a strong liquidity sweep, so fuck it. Right there. Just put it at the protected high. Just so if it comes in and it does tap into this gap, then we won't get stopped out. And then I'll probably target London like a 1.2. That's fine because I'm only making 500. And bang. Okay, so that was kind of a long trade. Dude, I remember when this shit was just chopping like this. Holy. But yeah, there we go. So, like I said, price tapped into this 1 minute and then it just flushed after that. You could have waited for this 1 minute to get filled, but and target this. Okay, that could have been cleaner. You would have had a better RR, but really, it's up to you, man. It's up to you. So yeah, so tap in, could have got that, whatever. I went out on this IFEG, and then yeah, that's really it. So what do we see? We see a liquidity sweep into a massive for value gap, massive 1 hour. We displace lower. In that displacement, we displace through a 4-minute, a 3-minute, a 2-minute, and a 1-minute completely. So after that, it's just wraps. So get in right there and then target session liquidity, which is Asia low. And it also resweeps this. I've seen that when price resweeps like a key level, like when price gets into like a key level like this, it would resweep it, just wicking it, and then it'd like shoot up, which it did actually. Just super weird. Like I've seen that ever since I started trading. I don't know what that's called, but maybe you guys can let me know in the comments. But yeah, so that was the trade of the day. And then I actually just took another trade, like another stupid ass trade. It was right. I think it was this one. Yeah, I think it was this one. Just took a really stupid ass trade, bro. Like, so I just targeted that, and that hit. Actually, look, boom, right there. So, yeah, man. So that was it. And yeah, so 2 trades, pretty good. Still on the eval. So, yeah, man. Usually I would risk 500, but I have a problem with overtrading and taking a loss. So yeah, that's really it. So yeah, hope you guys really enjoy this video. And that was the breakdown for today. How you guys could have made $1,500. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys later. Peace.